How to make gaming thumbnail using AI. So let's get started. For this tutorial I am using this website. You can find the link of this website in the description below. Let's say you want to make this type of you just simply need to download a thumbnail. After that you need to go here. You can make a thumbnail by entering a prompt, or you can recreate it. I am using recreate. Click it here. Here you can select inspiration weight. I am selecting inspiration weight low. Let's test it. Upload a thumbnail and click on generate. Here you can see, let's say we click on high. As you can see, the thumbnail is recreated. If you click on medium, it will more follow. If we click on low, it will less follow the thumbnail, and if we create on high, it will more follow than the medium. If we click on medium, let's see what happened. As you can see, if you like this thumbnail, you can simply download it and use it as your thumbnail. Let's test out another one. Download it and then click on upload file. We click on medium, click on generate. As you can see, the thumbnail, it looks amazing. You can simply download it from here. You can see the quality of a thumbnail. Let's take another example. Simply download the thumbnail and then again upload it. Inspiration weight medium. Click on generate. Wow, that looks amazing. You can simply download it from here. As you can see, the thumbnail and the quality and the detailing of the thumbnail, it's amazing. So you can make any type of thumbnail in seconds by using this AI tool. You can find the link of this website in the description below. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.